持这个愤怒。
You hold it and you won't able to forget easily.
你甚至于不想轻易的就把那件事情给忘了。
And this is what our Yudaramaj described. You meditated on anger.
制作人扎仁波切说，这就是你在对于愤怒做禅修。
See, that means he know how to meditate now.
所以他说，你看，你们每个人都会禅修的呀。
Right. So he know how to meditate. He contemplate this is so much. The result is what? Anger arises in your mind, in his mind, and he hold it with a single point of mind. Concentration is very good in the negative side.
那么他就不断的去思维这个生气的这个过程，不断的去想，然后这个时候呢，对于这件不善业来说，这个专注力也是非常有用的。
Now coming to this side, he says, coming to Buddha Dharma, you just have to change the object.
那么
Yeah.
回到佛法当中，实际上你只需要把这个对象、这个主题变化一下。
The object that here is anger. Instead of anger, bring bodhicitta or compassion or loving kindness.
那么替代掉你前面抓住的这个愤怒，请用慈心、悲心或者菩提心来代替。
And then, whatever you contemplated, in order to generate anger in your mind, just change that. Contemplate what Buddha said, what your teacher said. Contemplate on them again and again and again, in order to develop that the bodhicitta or compassion, love in your mind.